Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the BANGSON Compact portable washing machine. Both are designed for compact living spaces like apartments and RVs, but they come with different features and specifications that may suit your needs differently. Let's dive into their details and see how they stack up against each other. The COSTWAY portable washing machine boasts a total capacity of 20 pounds, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This makes it a great option for larger loads. In contrast, the BANGSON Compact portable washing machine has a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. While both machines are suitable for small spaces, the COSTWAY offers a bit more capacity for those who need it. When it comes to controls, the COSTWAY model features knob controls for selecting wash and spin cycles, which some users may find intuitive. On the other hand, the BANGSON model utilizes push buttons for operation, which can offer a more modern feel. Each control type has its advantages, depending on user preference. The COSTWAY portable washing machine operates with a timer control system, allowing users to set specific washing and spinning times. In contrast, the BANGSON Compact portable washing machine offers multiple wash modes, including soft, normal, and drain, providing users with more flexibility in their washing options. This feature can be particularly beneficial for different types of fabrics and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and BANGSON portable washing machines offer unique features that cater to different user needs. The COSTWAY model excels in capacity, while the BANGSON model provides versatile wash modes. Depending on your specific requirements, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.